Imagine a world where trading doesn't sleep, even when you do. A realm where the market's pulse continues to throb and your investments continue to grow while you're off living your life. Welcome to the revolutionary world of auto trading with TradingView and Python, a world where trading becomes as easy as setting an alarm clock. Brace yourself for an exciting journey into the heart of 24/7 trading, a place where the sun never sets and the opportunities are as endless as your ambitions. With TradingView and Python, you can tap into the pulse of the global markets around the clock, making the most of every opportunity that comes your way. TradingView, known for its robust and user-friendly interface, offers an endless array of charts, tools, and indicators to help you monitor the markets efficiently. But what happens when you combine it with the power of Python, a high-level programming language with a design philosophy that emphasizes code readability? The result is a powerful automated trading system that never sleeps, never tires, and is always on the lookout for profitable trading opportunities. A system that can handle the complexities and nuances of the ever-changing markets so you don't have to. With auto trading, you can set your trading strategies to work round the clock, executing trades accurately and efficiently, even when you're away from your screen. With Python's flexibility and TradingView's real-time market data, your auto trading system can adapt to market changes swiftly and execute trades based on preset parameters. Not only does this free up your time, but it also eliminates the emotional component from trading. No more second-guessing, no more stress. Just a systematic, disciplined approach to trading that maximizes profitability and minimizes risk. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I get started? That's where the course comes in. It's designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to set up your own auto trading system using TradingView and Python. From understanding how to code in Python to setting up your TradingView account for auto trading, the course covers it all. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking for a way to automate your strategies, or a newbie looking to step into the world of trading, this course offers a comprehensive guide to auto trading with TradingView and Python. So why wait? The markets never sleep, and with auto trading, neither should your investments. Embrace the future of trading. Sign up for the course today and unlock the power of 24/7 trading with TradingView and Python. Let your investments work for you while you focus on living your best life. After all, isn't that what we all want? Remember, in the world of trading, time is money, and with auto trading, you can make the most of both. So take the leap, sign up for the course today, and step into the future of trading. Your future self will thank you.